So I got a screw in my tire. Here's how to fix it. What you need is a tire repair plug kit. You can get it anywhere. Menards, Walmart, any auto store. What it comes with is a rasp type tool and the plug tool. And you'll just need some plugs. First thing you're going to want to do is find whatever it is that's in your tire and remove it. Next, you want to take the rasping tool, put it in the hole, jam it in there, twist it back and forth so you get it in there. And basically what you're doing is you're making the hole big enough for the plug. Back and forth. Alright, next you take your plug tool and get one plug. I find it easier to cut one out. Like so. So, this is basically like a needle. Thread your plug through the needle. Okay, so you got your plug halfway through. What you're going to do is you're going to put it in that hole that you just created with the rasp. Ugh. Takes a little bit of effort. Alright. Like so. And then with one quick sharp motion you're going to pull the needle out. And hopefully the plug stays behind. Just like that. There you go. So, now we'll fill her up with air. Fill your tire back up with air. Now, you want to check your plug and make sure it's not leaking. The way I like to do it is with the old spit test. Just get a wad of spit, put it on there, and basically if it bubbles up, you know you have a leak. You can also use soapy water for those of you who don't like to spit on your hands. Okay, and once you have your plug all set and you got no leaks, just cut off the excess with a knife. Tire is good as new, $2. You got 4 left over for the next time. See you on the next video.